Hello Adrian, it's the rep here at Vos Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2011 Subaru Impreza WRX STI. This vehicle has just 95,000 kilometers on it, and the price is $24,188 including safety plus HST and licensing. The vehicle is in really nice shape. It's kind of pearl white metallic, has almost like brand new rims. It's been just reconditioned professionally with a gloss black powder coat. It has some upgrades as well, so it has a full system NVIDIA exhaust. The turbo is a little bit bigger, modified, and has a cold air intake too. I'll try to show you how it looks like. It's a single exhaust, black interior, which is very nice. Rubber mats. I'm gonna open ignition just to show you exact kilometers. Yeah, it's in 95,484. There's some SI drive options on it. So let me show you the under the curb, the hood. The vehicle history is clean. There is no accidents. Here we go. That's the engine cold air intake. I'm not sure if you can see the it's not really visible, but yeah, there is an NVIDIA exhaust. It's a full system exhaust and a little bit bigger turbo as well. I know you had the questions regarding your financing rates, and Shannon replied already to your email. So if you have any further questions, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.